Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are some of the bracelets that my wife got from Desert Here Premium Outlet Store. So she ordered this online, and then we just got it. So anyway, let's go and then unbox this. I think she said something about she got a free necklace. Oh, here's the invoice. So there you go. Got the 1, 2, 3 Rena hinge bangle halo rhythm bracelet, and then a dazzling love necklace. Silver pink, silver tanzanite, and then a silver red. Come with the catalog, so you could inspire more jewelries from them. Brighton. Got this nice heart, and it says Brighton right there with all this rose. Wow, come with this nice two neat gift boxes. Let's go check out this one. This one must be the free gift. Come with this nice Brighton dust bag with the colorful hearts, and then on the ribbon it says Brighton. On both sides. So it comes with this red heart. And this is what it looks like on the back. And here's another heart with the B logo on there. What? This is made in Taiwan, my country. Alright, so let's go ahead and see the other two. It says, and a little sparkle can do. It's amazing what a little smile. So these two come with the gift card. The card with the message. Got this nice box with the rose all around it, and then a black top with the Brighton on there. Huh. the free gift didn't come with a box. So they all come with a heart. That's a bag, colorful. So this one is the bracelet. One side has 3 stones. The other side only got 2. Purple and then like a light blue. And this one has a darker blue. So what's it look like on the back? What? It moves. Pretty cool. And again, you got the heart right there at the end. And then you got the hook. Alright, let's go and then check out the last one. Got the same thing, the heart. Wow, this one with the off-white or beige with the black heart. And then brighten on the midsection. And then on the other side, you got the B in the heart logo. And this one is with the black ribbon with the brighten on there. And the message inside the bag is in pink. Laugh as much as you breathe. Love as long as you live. So here's the other one. Pretty nice. And right here's a stone here too, inside the heart. Yeah, I'm not too sure how do you open this. And again, this one's made in Taiwan. Well, anyway, I'm not gonna break it. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.